Welcome to DelphStack. Today, we will fix Valorant Error Code VAN 135 in simple steps. First, restart your PC to refresh system services and restart Riot Vanguard automatically. Next, run Valorant as administrator to avoid permission blocks and launch issues. If it still fails, reinstall Riot Vanguard to repair corrupted files. Open Control Panel, go to Uninstall a program and remove Riot Vanguard. Then, open Riot Client and start a game to download Vanguard again. After reinstalling, restart your PC once more to ensure services load correctly. Make sure your Windows is updated and no pending restarts are waiting. We also recommend closing background apps that may interfere with Riot Vanguard. Check your internet connection if the error continues appearing during launch. These steps should fix VAN 135 and help you launch Valorant smoothly. If the problem persists, try reinstalling the full Riot client as well. We suggest temporarily disabling antivirus software while installing Vanguard again. Always run the game with admin rights for better stability and fewer errors. Thanks for watching.